Hey, how's it going? Back with another unboxing video here. Right now I have the Worx Pegasus portable work table. It's got clamping system and sawhorses. Comes with some clamps and some bench dogs. It can also integrate with some of the other Worx clamping systems. Like there's a table. I just ordered that. It hasn't come in yet. But I bought this just so I can do a little bit more work out in the driveway with the rock saw. You can see it comes assembled. This is just how it comes out of the box. I've already been using it for a while and really like it. We use the sawhorse. You just pull the legs out there and it just locks into place. It's a sawhorse that can hold 1,000 pounds, so it'll easily hold me. Maybe just barely though. And then you can see it. You flip up one or both of these sides, and they just lock into place. Just like that. Now this tabletop holds 300 pounds. It also comes with some bar clamps. What I like about these bar clamps is they just fit down in these grooves here. And then you can squeeze it in and it locks this into place. So you have a lot of work holding options. And then it'll tighten down just by depressing the handle there, like a normal bar clamp. It comes with two of those. So again, just slides in just like that, and just like that. So I've already used it actually. Of course, I use it to sharpen an axe, and I was able to hold in here just like this and sharpen the axe. It also comes with 4 bench dogs. So it comes with these little bench dogs here. Those you can just stick in here if you want to wedge them in, or just use them for planing stops. We were making some bushcraft furniture for another video, so we got this. That way we can do it out in the driveway if we're doing some sanding. It also, you'll see here, I'll move you here, it has these little flexible keys, and you can get other Worx Pegasus or work tables, and they can be locked in together to make a larger countertop. Just fit in. You can do it on front, back, or either side. And again, you can have one side of this up, one side of it down, and it just works the same. They're really impressed with this thing. 300 pounds. It's not bad. It's good enough for what we're using it for. Like I said, putting it out in the driveway, or if you want to take it to a job site, I think is a pretty viable option. It's still kind of heavy for what it is. It's pretty well built. Probably weighs about 30 pounds. That's my guess. But yeah, pretty happy with this thing. You'll see this in a couple videos. The rockwood mat will fit on top, I'm sure. And that way we can do some other videos outside. Anyway, hopefully this is helpful. If you're looking for it, I'll post a link down below. And as always, thanks for watching.